Why did parties stand down for each other at the last election?
Shortly after the election was called, the Brexit Party said it would not be standing candidates in the seats the Conservatives had won in 2017, half of all seats in Britain. The Liberal Democrats, Green Party and Plaid Cymru formed a limited agreement which saw only one of their number stand candidates in 60 seats in England and Wales. Even Northern Ireland saw electoral pacts, with the SDLP and Sinn Féin standing down in 3 seats in order to boost each other's candidates' chances. These are all odd things for political parties to do, when one of the main reasons they exist is to win seats. The Brexit Party was worried that even if most voters in specific constituencies would have voted for pro-Brexit parties, if the vote was split between themselves and the Conservatives, a pro-second referendum party might have ended up winning. The Liberal Democrats, Green Party and Plaid Cymru were worried about the opposite happening. The reasoning behind such pacts is to prevent vote splitting. Under Westminster's first-past-the-post system, you only need the most votes to win, even if that is less than half, and even if the majority of people didn't vote for you. It's pretty annoying for voters when political parties decide who they can and can't vote for, but it's an inevitable feature of how first-past-the-post works. The need for parties to step aside would be eliminated by a move towards a proportional representation system, as each area would elect a small number of MPs. So it's not an all-or-nothing game. You can find out more about electoral pacts in our 2019 general election report, Voters Left Voiceless.